Fresh, glowing, and ready to take on the day. In today's video, I'm walking you through my full morning skincare routine so you can get your skin looking just like this. Starting with the Cerave Hydrating Cream to Foam Cleanser. Now this does foam up if you wet it first, but I like applying it to dry skin because it kind of feels like a mini facial. I rub it into my skin, focusing on my cheeks, my nose, my jawline. I just make sure to get it everywhere. Once we're done, we're just going to rinse, pat dry, and jump right into our toner. This is the Neutrogena alcohol-free toner, and it's very gentle. Some toners out here feel like they're punishing you, but not this one. Check it out, no residue. My cleanser did what I needed it to do. But important to note that toner helps to prep your skin for what's next. And for us, that is the Glow Recipe Niacinamide Dupes. It's very lightweight, it's very hydrating, and it just gives my skin this glow that I love. In addition to that, my skin feels so plump and juicy. They actually feel hydrated. You can actually feel that. I love this stuff. I'm gonna follow that up with hyaluronic acid. Listen, hyaluronic acid is a non-negotiable. Always apply it to damp skin so it actually locks in the moisture. Otherwise, you're just sitting it on top and you might as well have decorative hyaluronic acid. To address the under eye bags issue, I'm using the Black Snail Mucin Eye Cream. I actually picked this up in Korea while visiting one of the Kbeauty stands there. It was an amazing experience. They really took the time to educate me and help me customize a skincare routine using all Kbeauty products, which is a whole other video. Let me know in the comments if you're interested in that. But I picked up this Black Snail Mucin Eye Cream. I love it. A little goes a long way. I just put it on my finger and tap it on. All right, we are going to move into this Neutrogena Hydra Boost Moisturizer. I have really come to enjoy this product because I started using it in need of a budget-friendly alternative to Tatcha's water cream, and to be honest, the Neutrogena Hydra Boost really does hold its own. It's not exactly the same as the Tatcha, but for the price, it's extremely hydrating, extremely lightweight, and perfect for when the warm weather comes along because my pores start acting crazy in warm weather. This is a perfect product for the price. So if you haven't tried the water cream or you're also on the hunt for an affordable alternative to those Sephora brand products, the Neutrogena Hydro Boost has got your back. And lastly, sunscreen is a must. We do not play about sun protection. This is the Cerave Hydrating Mineral Sunscreen. It does have a sheer tint, and I must warn you that as soon as you put this on, yeah, like that, see how my eyebrows just disappeared? Yours will too. Don't say that I didn't warn you. But on the brighter side, my skin is protected, it's hydrated, she is thriving. And fam, just like that, we're done. Our skin is hydrated, it's glowing, and we are ready for the day. We're just gonna throw on some lip gloss or maybe some Vaseline because that's my jam. I don't know about you, but I loves me some Vaseline. And we are out the door. Fam, if you made it this far, you are officially a skincare bestie. Please drop a comment down below if you love a good glow and let me know what your holy grail skincare product is. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell because more glow up content is coming. See you in the next one.